Hi there and welcome to Tech Life, a channel where I aim to review everything from selfie sticks to laptops to IDs for coding, video editing, software for producing thumbnails, essentially anything tech related. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you have anything that you think I should review, please let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to review that product.
Okay, so in this short video we're going to be unboxing two more Galaxy products. Firstly we're going to unbox this Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, and then we are going to unbox the Galaxy SmartTag 2 device. I didn't buy either one of these products. Samsung are doing a promotion whereby if you purchase one of their latest handsets, the S24, they will send you a link, and then using the link you can jump onto their website and claim these two free gifts totally free. If you were going to buy these separately, then currently in the UK the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro are retailing for about £160, and the SmartTag 2 varies from about £25 to about £35. So essentially Samsung are giving away nearly £180, £190 free worth of equipment simply because you might have purchased one of their S24s. This is the standard S24. I've done a couple of videos on this, one where I've done an unboxing and one where I've done a review. I will leave a link for the review in probably the top right hand corner of this video, but for now let's open up these two devices and see what you get inside the box. So we'll do the Buds 2 first. Let's move that out of the way. It's always a bit fiddly trying to unbox stuff, especially when you've got a camera in the way. Nearly there. So those are the buds. Get rid of that. So those are the earphones. They've got a rubbery sort of texture to them. Quite lightweight. And that there is a sort of magnetic sort of base, so they sort of drop into place. And again, this case is rubberized. So you get that, and you get the obligatory instructions. Work out how to get into these. So the standard warranty card and a quick start guide. So that's that. Anything else? Okay, so you get a charging cable, probably a USB-C cable. Yep. So you get a charging cable. And I'm wondering what this is. So these are a spare set of ear tips, I think. we can get into this packaging. I always end up just ripping stuff. I see something as fiddly as this. Yeah, so these are ear tips. These are actually slightly smaller than the ones that are attached. Or are they the same size? Ah, they're actually slightly smaller, so those are slightly smaller. Okay, so charging cable, the actual earbuds, and then ear tips. Anything else in this case? No. I think that's all you get there. So that's the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. If, like I say, if you went and bought these in the shop, it'd cost you £160. If you purchase the Samsung Galaxy S24, whether it be the standard, plus, or the Ultra, then you'll be sent a link, and you can claim these two gifts totally free. Let's move this stuff out of the way and check out the Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag 2. So these smart tags, they essentially allow you to find lost objects. As long as you've got the tag attached to an object, for instance, maybe a set of keys, or a bike, maybe even a pet. If you've got a pet, you can attach this tag to the collar. If you happen to misplace your pet, this little tag could come in really handy in finding the object. So the smart tag can be used to find lost objects, or more precisely, it allows you to find any objects that are attached to the tag. The Galaxy Smart Tag 2 is a redesign of the original smart tag. It uses Bluetooth low energy and ultra wide band tech to help you find those objects. The tracker only works with Galaxy devices though, and also works with Samsung Smart Things Find network. It's powered by a single CR2032 coin battery. Samsung claimed that this would last up to 500 days under normal usage, or up to 700 days if you enable the power saving mode. Battery is replaceable, that's why they give you this little pin. And there is a little hole in here somewhere, and if you push that in, the battery pops out of there. The smart tag is weatherproof. It's rated to IP67, so that means it's dust resistant, and it also is waterproof to a depth of 1 meter for up to 30 minutes. The original smart tag was only IP rated to 53, which protects it against limited dust and just water spray, as opposed to a full submersion of the device. To use the tag, you'll need to be using a Samsung device running Android 9 or higher with at least 3 gig of RAM. You'll also need the free SmartThings Find app. The tag does not support or does not work with Google's Find My Device network, so it only works with the Galaxy ecosystem and the SmartThings Find network. I'll go into a more in-depth review of both of these devices, both the Galaxy Buds and the smart tag, in an upcoming video. But for now, that was the unboxing of the Buds and the smart tag. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching this video. If so, please do hit the like button, maybe even consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Thank you so much.